This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Introduction. It is of utmost importance to meet all essential obligations, either official or unofficial, in time. To do this, time management and organization are necessary to ensure that everything is done according to the timeline. Sometimes, it becomes necessary to commit to a given deadline, and suspense dates are set in such cases. Whether suspense dates are legal or official obligations, it is important to meet them. This paper seeks to discuss the importance of meeting suspense dates. Suspense date. According to Smith and Gerstein, suspense is a deadline that cannot be violated unless before the original suspense date. In the legal field, suspense dates refer to a time when a provision to perform or renegotiate a certain task ceases to exist. For instance, an Army officer might be given a suspense date within which he is supposed to claim work benefits despite being out of service for various reasons. In the office, a set-up suspense date may exist when an employee is given an ultimatum to oversee the completion of a given task within the stipulated time. The main reason for meeting the suspense date is to avoid corresponding penalties. Some suspense dates have fines attached to them to ensure that the intended respondent reacts to them in time, and as such, meeting such dates is important. Whenever possible, it is crucial to request a deadline extension in case the time limit is not within your means. It is essential to meet suspense dates issued by other companies to protect the integrity of your company or organization. This is because business partners build trust and confidence depending on how you respond and meet their deadlines. Suspense dates are also issued by service providers such as public libraries. Meeting such suspense dates is important to enable such organizations to provide services such as books to others. When suspense dates are associated with workflow, it becomes imperative to meet them to avoid work loading at one department. When suspense dates are met, the workflow becomes smooth, and other departments do not have to stay idle waiting for others to complete their tasks, hence improving efficiency. Meeting suspense dates way ahead of time is important to avoid last-minute surprises. Due to uncertainties of life, something may happen during the last minute, making it impossible to meet suspense dates. To avoid these inconveniences, suspense date obligations should be met way ahead of time, or an extension should be requested when necessary. Finally, some suspense dates are legally binding. This means that failure to meet such deadlines will result in legal implications. For instance, a situation may arise demanding supplying the court with information or pieces of evidence within a given period to allow further investigations. Failing to meet such suspense dates may render evidence obsolete or may attract a fine or a court charge. Thus, it becomes vital to meet such suspense dates. Conclusion. Conclusively, meeting suspense dates is very important not only to the person obligated to meet them but to the other party as well. It ensures that fines involved with such dates are avoided. It ensures that work organization is efficient and also helps in maintaining confidence and trust with the parties involved. These and other reasons are sufficient enough to express the importance of meeting suspense dates. If you want to find more works like this essay on meeting suspense dates, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of free samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects. No registration required to access it.